Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Friday, June 27th. You can see from forexfactory.com that we've got a red item at 8:30 today. Core PCE price index month over month expected to be 0.1%. This is a number that the Fed is watching, so it is an important number. Uh, we do also have personal income month over month, personal spending month over month, and then at 9:15 we have some talking heads. FOMC member Cook and FOMC member Haymack. 10 a.m. we've got revised University of Michigan sentiment, orange item, which means medium impact, and also at that time we have revised University of Michigan inflation expectations, which is a yellow item. That being said, everybody watches sentiment and expectations, so be aware. 4:30 after the market closes, the bank stress test results come out. It's a obviously it's after the market is closed, but this is something you want to put in your quiver of information for underlying things happening in the economy that kind of run below the radar. So I'll take a look at this just to see how the banks are doing, just as a general macro view. So that being said, it's not super important, but it helps understand what's going on in the economy. Uh, on the daily chart, we've got almost new highs. We're getting very close. 67.80-ish is the all-time high, and we continue to chop higher. Couple of things that really bother me. First of all, low volume, just really crappy volume. So it feels like this move is just not being confirmed by volume. So that's the one negative going on right now that really bothers me. I would like to see more buyers coming in, more activity here in volume. That being said, we are above the three moving averages here, so bullish. We are breaking out of the bullish flag. It looks very bullish, with the exception of volume. If we scrunch this back a little bit, you'll see that we are coming up on these multiple very close to all-time highs. So they are in the picture now. So what are we going to do? We're going to come up and make a triple, quadruple top and turn over and go down, or we're going to break through and continue to go up. I don't know. Have to wait and see what happens, but there is resistance at that high volume node at 62.37. Once we get above that, there's really not much in the way of keeping it from going up and at least testing the all-time high. On the downside, we've got support around 61.14, that low volume node right there. So there you have it. Looking at the inventory from yesterday, positive price action, positive inventory. So therefore, you have correlation, and correlation is what we are looking for here. That is a good thing. Looking at the overnight movement, very narrow, only 21 points compared, which is around average longer term, but short term, that's well below where we have been. So this is also a little bit of a concern. It looks like we're just doing the super chop. Nobody's interested. It's just moving choppy to the upside. Yeah, ignoring the fundamentals, ignoring the macro events. It has been a resilient market, to say the least. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got some confluence up here at 62.21, 62.33, 62.45. If we get going to the downside, you can see there is a massive number of lines here, just below 6,200, 61, let's call it 61.96 area is support. Below that, we've got 61.70, and then dropping down to 61.41. Those are your support and resistance levels for today. Stock Traders Almanac for this Friday is 57.1. 57.1% chance the market will be up today. That is from the Stock Traders Almanac. It is Friday, so I won't see you again until Monday. And next week is a holiday week, so only a 4-day week next week. Next Friday is the markets are closed for 4th of July. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.